You know that one TikTok sound that's like, you are watching an artist at work? I don't know how I feel about this. What's up, CG family?
Welcome back to another video.
Where today, as you guys see, as per title, we are doing a DIY cheap modification, something I've always wanted to do, something I feel like is very JDM, and that is a livery. We're gonna be DIYing a livery for very cheap with some leftover scrap wrap I have. That rhymes. Leftover scrap vinyl wrap that I had from my 350Z. And if you guys knew my 350Z before I sold it, it was like this crazy rainbow unicorn wrap that I do sell. So if you guys want to go check it out, link somewhere maybe down below. So I have a lot of leftover wrap, and I'm gonna be turning it into a livery, kind of, I guess, if you want to call it a livery, right? It's a livery on the RSX. Surprise, surprise. Not the Mustang, because Mustang, we got things doing to it. This video is probably gonna come out way before we finish up the Mustang. But
speaking of the Mustang real quick though, we do have a lot planned for the Mustang. Big things. I don't know if this video is coming out before or after.
It's coming out way before.
But yes, make sure you guys stay tuned, as we've stated in all of our videos.
Yeah, so basically here is the RSX. If you guys are new to this channel, we did wrap it in Also Blue from APA America. They had amazing wrap. We wrapped it in under 48 hours with me and my cousins, and I think we did a phenomenal job. But I just want to, you know, spice it up a little bit since we do have a chrome Mustang and we did have a chrome 350Z. It's only right to add some chrome on the RSX. So let's, I guess, get started.
Some behind the scenes.
I'm a little frightened because there's obviously no tutorials out there I've watched that say like, this is how you do it yourself, this is what you don't do. So any mistakes that happen throughout this video, you guys are gonna learn from me, and I think that's the best way possible. So let's get started.
Let's do it.
First things first, grab yourself a clean or the cleanest microfiber towel you can find. Let me do some digging. I think I might get lucky. That's pretty dirty. That's pretty clean, not bad. All right, so I got these two. I have gathered everything I need, so let's figure it out. Things you'll need right now is microfiber towels, clean ones if you can find some, rubbing alcohol to wipe down the areas you're going to be putting vinyl over. Yes, it's okay, on top of wrap, and not a drill. Oh, I got it in my pocket. An Expo marker.
And an X-Acto knife.
And an X-Acto knife, or scissors, depending on how intricate your livery or design's gonna be. Like, he's kind of doubting how it's gonna turn out, so we're gonna impress him at the end of this video.
Well, I just say do it right the first time. Not that she's not doing it right, but she's not doing it really right. Because, sorry, this is my other camera, but as you can see how dirty this car is, holy camole, and she's not gonna take it to the car wash. But we're just gonna use alcohol over it, over the spots that we are gonna wrap. Hi, Christina.
Hey. Here goes nothing, but basically, you know, as I mentioned, we have an Expo marker and we're just gonna go for it. Obviously, if you make mistakes, you can just wipe it away with rubbing alcohol or your fingers or after you wash your car, but I don't know how much you can see. I'll probably insert it around here if you can't see it, but this is the inspiration I'm coming from. It's from stealthy_garage on Instagram. It's a very simple design, and I think I'm able to freehand it. Yo, what is that? So this first line I did, total fail. Definitely taking that one out. I kind of found the pattern I wanted to go for, and it's kind of just like this and not just like random lines everywhere. So if this makes sense to you guys, you get it. That's what I want to do. So I'm gonna bring one out. I'm gonna bring a short one out like this. This is fun, honestly. Who knew creating your own livery is fun? Like the cheapest way to create a livery. Grant, are you still doubting me? What do you think?
I mean, based off of what you have so far,
this is I'm probably not gonna go this
like
route.
Looking at the details, I do have quite a bit of doubt, but I'm gonna try my best to have faith in you. Uh-oh. Dogs are fighting. Holy. Oh, Jesus.
You know that one TikTok sound that's like, you are watching an artist at work? That's me.
I'm afraid not, my dear.
My creations. You know that one TikTok sound that's like, you are watching an artist at work. I think I'm done with this side.
I think it'll turn out pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
So here are my scraps. I did have a lot of leftover roll from my previous fender, and then I do have black wrap that I plan on making it look 3D with. So I'm gonna be layering the vinyl like 2-3 times. You guys are gonna see once I lay it down. But first things first is I'm gonna start off with the scraps because obviously I wanna waste those first since, you know, there's not much you can do with this other than stripes. So we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna try to find a line that best.
I feel like a lot of the ones back here will do it.
Yeah, that best fills this, like the amount and the length of it as well. So, I think.
That's not bad.
This one? Yeah, no, see this one, it definitely won't fit.
That's too thick,
But
yeah.
this one I think is good. So we are really DIYing this thing. I'm gonna DIY my own ruler because I need a straight edge. So we can ensure these lines will be straight. So
holy moly.
Just use a cardboard box for a straight edge. I'm gonna label it, what's the other side? Passenger. So P for passenger. You're gonna put some rubbing alcohol on a microfiber towel, wipe this away basically, and just prep the surface. So now we're gonna take our gloss black vinyl, and this doesn't have to really be perfect, it's just gonna be like the shadow 3D effect. And I'm just gonna cut a strip that I think is right. That looks right. And I'm gonna straighten out the other edge. So it doesn't have to go the exact length as this, just because I said so. So, so we're gonna do just that. I'm actually gonna peel this whole thing off first so I can line it up correctly. I'm gonna time lapse the rest. I'm just gonna show you guys the first stripe because you guys obviously came here for maybe a DIY or see how crappy I did.
Imagine we show them every individual stripe.
Dude, that would be bad. Really pat this down, post heat it, and then
with the heat gun.
Yeah, and then we should be good.
I think once we cut it and post heat it and then do it to the rest, I think it's actually gonna look pretty good.
So now we got the X-Acto knife and we're gonna quickly cut on along the edge. There we go.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Little update. So this is how far I've gotten so far. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stripes in. Not bad. What takes a lot of time is basically just cutting up the vinyl. So obviously I don't have a pre-cut machine. This is all purely DIY. I don't have a pre-cut machine. I don't have a ruler. I don't have a lot of things. So it's going a little slow, but it's gonna be worth it at the end. I'm currently, oops, almost spilt the rubbing alcohol, but I'm currently gonna be doing this stripe over here. And yeah, I'm also not gonna be doing anything in the rear. I'm not quite sure how to explain it, but basically I want it to go from the front to the sides and then nothing on the rear, you know, kind of like the old JDM like fire vinyls. It wasn't even JDM, it was kind of more so like hot rod. But yeah, that's kind of the look I'm going with, except for like stripes. So all of a sudden it got really cold. Looks like it's about to rain, but I don't know how I feel about this. You guys gotta let me know in the comments. I look like a mess right now. Don't worry about how I look. Let's worry about what the RSX looks like. What do you guys think? I don't know if I like this or not. Totally different than what I first spoke about, the inspiration that I first spoke about. But let me know in the comments below. Obviously, there's a helicopter all the way over there, but I did mention earlier that I did want to add the black to give the 3D effect. I think that obviously makes it look a lot better. Oh, that's a problem right there. Just realized that. Okay, I gotta cut this off. But honestly, like, I don't know if it's like missing things. I don't know if I added too much, if it doesn't look random, if the stripes are too thin, too thick. I really don't know. I think they probably all should have been as thick as this one right here.
All right, you guys, and that is a wrap.
Literally, that's a wrap. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of this wrap, and catch the next video where we surprise Veronica. Where we're
gonna be surprising Veronica, and the following video after that, we're doing really big things on the other side of this garage right now as we speak to the Mustang. So, peace out. Peace. She's dipping. She's in a rush. Make sure you go follow us on Instagram, TikTok, everything else. I love the wrap. Turned out awesome, as you can see. Dang, Christina really just dipped on us like that, you guys. Wow. Oh, now they're trying to back into me. Oh my.